सारी ले ले, शुरू से ले ले, शुरू से ले ले। अच्छा, वो जो मैंने कहा था एलिमेंट्स ऑफ बफूनरी, वो ऑर्डिनेंस स्टीयरिंग, वो सारी स्टेटमेंट है। इफ यू थिंक यू गॉट अ हेडलाइन एंड ओनली डू व्हाट यू लाइक यार। अरे सुनो यार, you write, you see, I'll tell you something. I have a feeling that these days, the kind of political discourse, you don't get so much fun as you're getting here today. So, जो headline बनानी हो बनाओ, be my guest. ओ यार मेरे भाई, ओ मेरे भाई, मैं आपको एक चीज बता रहा हूं। एनर्जी पे आई जस्ट डिड ए 27th to 30th January, I did India Energy Week in Goa. We had कितने thousand लोग थे वहां पे? 75,000 people, ministers from God knows how many countries, and PM did a round table. All that we have discussed there. Today, let's not get things mixed up. Today, because of Mr. Rahul Gandhi's statement in Parliament, where he's thought to name me, and he didn't say anything more. Hardeep Puri's name is there. Hardeep Puri's name. Arey bhai, I'm telling you where Hardeep Puri's name is. I just read it out. You wanted a photograph, you've got the photograph. Then there's another email. And once earlier, in 2014 earlier, he's bragging to the White House counsel, the legal person. Tell POTUS to come for the high-level energy summit because a lot of important people will be here. Where he mentions Gordon Brown, the Prime Minister of UK. He mentions the President of Mongolia. He mentions Sultan Jabor of Qatar. Then he mentioned Hardeep Puri of India. Because I was President of the Security Council in 2012 and 13, India won a resounding victory in the election to the Security Council. So I was well known. So he's showing off that he knows me. But as I said, 8 years, total of 3 or 4 meetings, and their view of me was that one. And that gentleman behind you who talks about ambush, and also I'll give you the details, and saying that if you ever meet an Indian and a snake, kill the Indian first. Trade deal, I've given you enough.
Thank
No.
you. Thank you.
No, listen to me. I would be happy to talk to you about trade deal, but let me tell you, Vikram has already given a very extended explanation. Also, as I keep telling you about trade deal, we have signed about 9 of them. And for a country like India, which has 50% of its GDP in the external sector, trade deals are very important. Now, India-EU trade deal, EU is 27 countries. Before that, we did Australia, we did UAE, EEC, European Economic Group, etc., not the EU, but a smaller one. We did EFTA, European Free Trade Agreement. So all these trade deals give more opportunities for your workers, for everybody. Then they started, agriculture mein sell out. Today he was saying data sell out. Pata hai, dekho, mindset jo hai na, India is a dead economy wala. मैं बता रहा हूं, India's economy is thriving. The economy, the budget, the overall global view, everybody is saying that India has pulled off a big thing. अगर कोई डाउट हो तो पढ़ लेना, वो there are American commentators, Jeffrey Sachs का देख लेना. He said the Indians have pulled it off. Prime Minister Modi has kept his not only dignity, maturity, and he's pulled it off. Rest we'll talk later. Yeah, this is not the occasion. हाँ भाई, last one यार. भाई साहब, अरे भूल गए सवाल, कोई बात नहीं यार, और अगली बार कर लेंगे यार. आज मैं तो आता रहता हूं आजकल. हाँ, और मेरे भाई थोड़ी सब जल्द मत करो. हमारी पार्टी वाले प्रिविलेज मोशन देने वाले हैं. दूसरा, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इनकी जो मूर्ख ब्रिगेड है, वानसेना जो है इनकी, वो कभी ना कभी